Imagine a house without a roof. It would be exposed to the elements rain, snow, harsh sunlight. It would offer no protection, no sanctuary from the storms of life. But with a roof, a house becomes a home, a place of refuge, a sanctuary where memories are made and cherished. The roof is a silent guardian, shielding us from the fury of nature, providing us with a sense of security and peace. It stands tall, enduring the test of time, just like the strength and resilience we find within ourselves during the challenging times. Just as a roof protects us, let us also remember to protect and care for our homes. Let us maintain them, repair them when needed, and ensure that remain safe haven for ourselves and our loved ones. Moreover, the roof reminds us of the importance of gratitude. As we look up to the roof over our heads, let us be thankful for the shelter it provides, for the warmth it offers, and for the sense of belonging it instills in us. In a world full of uncertainties, the roof over our heads serves as a constant reminder that no matter what storm may come on our way, we have a place to call our own, a place where we love and accepted. So let us cherish the roof over our heads, not just a physical structure, but a symbol of stability, security, and love. Let it inspire us to build strong foundations in our lives, to weather the storms with grace, and to always be grateful for the blessings we have. As we go about our days, let us carry with us the wisdom of the roof house, the wisdom of the strength, protection, and gratitude. May we always find solace and comfort under the shelter of our roofs, and may we never forget the importance of having a place to call home.